Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the server disconnected connection to the Blizzard game server is lost error in Call of Duty Warzone. Whether you're trying to jump into a match and keep getting kicked out, or you just want to enjoy uninterrupted gameplay, this simple step-by-step guide will get you back online quickly. First, go to your Start menu and type View Network Connections. Click on it, then find your active network adapter. Double-click it and select Properties. Next, click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4, and enable the option Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS to 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS to 1.0.0.1, then click OK to save your changes. This ensures your connection uses a reliable DNS that can reduce server disconnections. Now, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Just search for CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Type the following commands one by one, pressing enter after each. netsh int IP reset, ipconfig.flush DNS, and netsh winsock reset. These commands reset your network stack and clear any corrupted DNS cache that might be causing the disconnection. Once all commands have run, restart your PC. After rebooting, launch Call of Duty Warzone again, and the server disconnected error should be resolved. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the connection issue and get back to enjoying Warzone without interruptions. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If this helped you, don't forget to share it with someone who might be struggling. Why not make their gaming day a little easier?